So it is currently 3:10 in the morning. We are sitting in the parking lot of Walmart because it was freaking hot at the Whitewater Center.
We went to this place called the Ocoee Whitewater Center. It was so hot.
How's today been, babe?
It's kind of miserable. I shed a few tears. I told Quinn, I'm like, look, something's got to give. We've got two choices, either go home or go to Walmart and get an AC unit. So we got to Walmart and it feels great. We're comfortable. So here we are and we're waiting until 6 to go to Walmart and get an AC unit. Nothing like a good old sunrise in a Walmart parking lot at 6:30 a.m. Somebody also has the bright idea to camp too. And this is what I'm most excited for. Obviously the view outside of our bedroom, but to swim. I'm so excited to swim. We can just walk down and get right in. Oh man, this is home. We have had a rough couple of days, and I look like we had a rough couple of days. Oh man.
I think Sirius likes it here.
About to take a morning dunk at 9 a.m. All right, we're going to take a dunk. You kidding me?
I don't want to. It's not hot yet.
We're being a baby.
I am, baby. You're the baby.
All right.
Is there gonna be a countdown? That was terrible.
Oh my gosh, I feel like we're in a movie.
cook some breakfast. Should I start with the bacon? I hate these packages that you can't reseal.
Our cat's out.
She just smelled the bacon.
Yeah. You've got food in there, girl. You do not want to be out here unfed. Our eggs are almost done. And I'm hungry.
I don't know how this is gonna be. I've never cooked eggs like that.
I'll give you an honest rating.
Oh, I know.
1 out of 10, it's a 1. The taste test. So I think I'm gonna try the eggs first since that's what Quinn made.
How is it?
Pretty good.
Is
So
it?
it's funny because I'm not really an egg person. Like, I really, really have to be in the mood for eggs. But Quinn decided to try out our new little propane thing that we got. And he made scrambled eggs. And put mozzarella in it. So I was like really skeptical, but it was so good. So I'm not surprised that this is good because he's the only person who can make eggs that I like. But now I'm going to try it with refried beans.
Well, it's funny because I've actually never really cooked before. So this is kind of the first time.
Now it's time for the not so fun part. Dishes. Dishes are done. Bellies are full. We're probably just gonna relax for a second. Kind of looks like it's about to rain.
We have actually done a lot today. Starting off with waking up in the Walmart parking lot, which honestly,
Not too shabby.
great sleep. I didn't want to wake up. Went in there at 6 o'clock in the morning looking for an AC unit. They didn't have one, so we went to 4 other stores. None of them had it. And then we finally go to Lowe's. And would you believe it? They had 17 of them what we were looking for.
Yep.
So we picked up one of those, came back here, and just had an awesome morning. All day has been great, really. This has been a breath of fresh air. Gets to the 2 o'clock mark, and it is freaking hot again. So, you know, we were pretty excited. It's like, we got this brand new AC unit. Let's try it out. We hooked it up, and it was awesome for 10 minutes, and then our battery was almost 100% drained. So I don't know anything about batteries or the hookups in electronics, but that thing was on low. I guess the AC unit or the window unit is a no-go for the bus life. So we are on the search for something else. not adding
Let's
that.
dance. Do something. Something jiggy. Let's dance. Yeah. Cut.